Hey everybody, it's Grant.
And Kayla.
And today we are going to be watching where Steve Aoki is doing yet another box break for a base set box. And then now, instead of a first edition rocket, it is a first edition fossil box.
Ooh.
So you get two for the price of one. We bought 2 packs. Let's get into it, see how we did. But before we do, we got our latest box break spoils. Not from this last one, but from the time before. So let's open it up, show them what we got. All right, so I got my scissors, my trusty dusty scissors to
Chop, chop.
help us chop this package. It might not be the best scissors ever. All right, so this hopefully is what we've been waiting for. It's actually addressed for the first, so it's been lost in translation for quite some time. Let's see if it is what we've been waiting on. So this is before Steve was doing the mystery boxes. This is my first holographic that I pulled. Of course, the first 2 packs were in the hospital. I think this was the next ones. And yeah, they cared less at this point, I guess. This is where we got our Nidoking. So it was our first holographic, pretty good card. And then we have our Steve Aoki signed Pikachu. Pikachu. All right, so that's basically the best stuff we got from that video. Let's get into this one. And don't worry, we did get a Charizard the week before last. We got a Charizard last week. And you know what? We got our secret weapon right here, Chari the Charizard. And he is ready for his twin brother to arrive in the mail. And we're gonna see how we did today.
Okay,
all right.
The last 2 breaks, one a Charizard the last time, then when a Charizard the time before. This guy is in the hot seat. Wow. He's literally the luckiest guy. I mean, imagine winning 2 Charizards. If he wins another one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I actually posted this on my Instagram. I was screaming. It was like, you need to watch that, but you got to turn that volume down because we're like literally so distorted.
I like freaked out. Yeah.
So Granivar, he has.
Sure wish I had my twins.
Guys, please subscribe to us.
The Charizard on the screen.
Charizard at Navar_Grant on IG, and you know on his YouTube is WG Navar on YouTube.
They get that wrong. It's just Grant Navar. Look, Grant Navar on YouTube.
Last time, so I'm gonna pick this.
They're gonna be emailing you.
Right? So look, I got Zari. I got Zar.
Wow. It's happening right here.
Dude, I feel like I just hit 2 3s and it's time to hit the 3rd. That's what I feel like.
Believe in it.
I'm nervous. I don't want to be greedy, but I just want to be greedy at this point, I guess.
2 Charizards.
What you think, buddy?
Already from
We're gonna have triplets?
box breaks. Will he get a 3rd right here and right now? Will he get a Charizard right here?
Oh, I got a Zapdos.
It's still really good. Does it have the little, is it?
That's different.
Oh. I was like, is it holographic?
He was like, they really felt it.
Oh, it's holographic.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. So,
Zar,
Put him down. He's obviously bad luck.
get out. We got a Zapdos. This is still not terrible. It's the same as Nidoking.
this one you can do your Dragonite.
All right, last time we pulled a Charizard and then a Charizard. So maybe this time Charizard and then Dragonite. That makes 4 holographics in all these packs. It's cool. Kingler.
What other cards? Let's talk about other cards also that we can pull first.
Be happy
I
about.
haven't seen the first edition Holo Rare Lapras, Gengar.
That person's
I
good.
haven't seen Moltres, Articuno would be cool.
Here it is.
Shelter. Muck.
Not Holo Rare, no.
Muck. What do we say about that card?
Get the muck out of here.
Can't win them all, can't win them all, Grant. Can't win every Charizard.
Get rid of it. Well, you still got a Zapdos. That was good.
Every time.
Grant crushes it.
Comes in every time for 2 packs. Consistently and you know. If Paul Parsons next time, you should win something. You can't win another $1. It's not. It's not. I don't think it's possible.
Flip out. I want to see big screen.
All right. This is
T-shirt for me.
I just went to town on this one. This is actually really cool.
Man, I was feeling it
Almost
though.
like a hollow right here.
Oh, it's 2 t-shirts for me.
With edition hollow. It's a nice pull.
That's cool.
It's cool.
Some other
Sweating, I was so concerned.
Puma. More merch that you guys saw. This is from the.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Jesus, he's gonna get on the chair
We
first.
got a flag.
Oh, wow.
I gotta have a old Steve Aoki banner in my bedroom.
I like it.
It's for you, baby.
Thanks.
Let's go.
Grand
Navarre.
Hey!
Second spot. Navarre.
I'm nervous.
Charizard's already.
I'm nervous. Come on, Zard.
Give him third.
Come on, Mr. Zard.
He's got a financial YouTube. He's 31 with 12 million real estate portfolio. He's taken his portfolio from 5.3 million when he started the channel to 12 million all on the channel, showing deal after deal.
Making me a bio.
Oh, okay, let's go.
It's very nice.
You teleprompter.
Yeah.
No expression.
Oh, we're going with the changing it up.
I don't know how I feel about this.
It's okay. Me and Zard gonna practice run. We're gonna get the Dragonite and then we're gonna get the Charizard. How epic would that be?
And then you get the other Dragonite.
I said the Dragonite. I'm confused.
And the mystery box.
Okay.
Oh,
you lost
well.
Side up, shoulder.
me. Got all the confidence here. Slow it down, sweet Aoki.
Here we go. Here it is. All right.
Oh, no, I don't you.
All that happiness
But
for
I'm
a $4 card.
it. It's the small things in life that make me happy.
No. No. Womp, womp, womp.
No.
All right. Let's not get excited for Pikachu.
Three.
Be a Charizard.
Why is that so shaky?
I don't know.
In the bottom. Haunter, Dollar, Wartortle, Sandshrew, Grand Navarre. You get the third Charizard. You get the third Charizard!
What is the Ninetales to?
Hey,
Should have put the Charizard down when I told you to.
You're gonna take that for sure.
me and Charizard has pulled 2 Charizards together, so last mystery box, let's see what happens.
Pretty cool from the collection you did with Six Silk. You got the full, this is from Diamond Supply.
Those will fit me.
They will fit you.
The whole floral set.
She's so mean.
The
Oh
whole
God.
shorts and jacket.
Oh God.
Oh, yes. I'm so happy about this, actually.
I'm wearing it. Let's walk the dogs in that.
And this too, right? Okay, so this is
Oh, let me get it.
No.
fan of Kygo.
Huh.
And you're a fan of hydration. Like I told you guys drink
What is
water.
it?
This is
Gotta drink water.
Cool vinyl,
what IV
I guess.
sent me. But anyways, it's a cool box. You get a bottle here. You get liquid IV, pina colada flavor. This is hydration multiplier. You put this in water, boom, you get hydrated more, and you get some noise canceling earphones
Oh,
by Kygo. So,
Cool.
you gotta mix it up.
it's not a real vinyl though. It's just the way they package it. That's neat.
The left side.
Alright.
Justin.
Justin.
Justin91 on IG.
91 IG.
Take it easy
Justin
right here.
91 IG.
Jazzy 91.
I did get 2 hollows this round though. That's good.
Yeah, good card here. Gonna be
What's your matchup?
A Haunter. Pass that guy over.
Magmar,
3 for 3.
Jinx, Ponyta, Dynamite, Squirtle, nice. Neoran, Caterpie, Lightning Energy, and for your rare, Justin.
Gyarados!
Oh, nice.
Good for you.
That's nuts.
That's
Wow.
crazy.
PSA
Wow.
PSA 9 Dragonite's going to be right here. So whenever I flip over, you probably already know who you are because I don't know. But
You're a winner.
you're a winner. So let's do a couple things. I'm gonna last time I gave a book out. I'm gonna do this auto right here. Get the vinyl. I'm gonna give you a book. Okay? grab a blue book from over there? Like, that's like on the table. So I'm gonna give you one. You know what I'm also gonna give you? This is the last one. I'm gonna give you a. This is actually very, very cool.
Oh, he's got the dragon out. He gave it to him.
It's not available yet to anybody else. That's what we like to do here with these box breaks, is share things that are not available anywhere else. So first of all, I'm gonna give you this book. Well, first I'm gonna find out what this is. And can you grab the Funko Pop?
Oh, Steve Aoki Funko Pop.
Oh, that's cool.
This is really cool. So these are not available anywhere else in the world. PSA just finally started encapsulated Funko Pops for the first time.
Whoa.
They're not even to market.
Now he does it slow, so
Third
it's.
time, Vulpix. Going nice and slow.
Still hate that card.
Back.
Love Abra.
Mm-hmm.
Energy.
Energy.
You know what's next? Another energy. And this is it. The last one. Will it be this golden guy? Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's
Charizard.
go.
Let's go.
Oh, wow.
Let's see.
All right. Well, let's see if someone
No Charizard.
other stuff in there.
So that means I'm still the Charizard king from these videos. Whew. That was rough.
I'm exhausted.
From that or just in general?
Hold my breath.
That's terrible. To think that whole box and not pull a Charizard. Or a Dragonite. We did pull 2 hollows though. Didn't make our money back. But in 20 years,
But they're cute.
they will rise to the price that we paid for them.
Maybe.
So that's it for the video, guys. We hope you enjoyed it. Also, please don't forget to power up that like button because we're trying to catch all the likes that we possibly can. We want to catch them all. Also, comment anything you'd like to see in future videos, anything you liked out of this video, as well as if you like me and Kayla's playful banter. Also, please remember that we 100% believe in you, and we know that you can do anything you set your mind to and never let anybody tell you differently. Hope you have a fantastic afternoon, and we will see you on the next one.